Good morning. It is 4-15-20. And I put this assignment in Khan Academy for you, and these problems come from that assignment. And I'm going to give you a little preview. Before you do the assignment, if you watch this video, it's a little reminder on how to do this. Okay, this term has a z, this term has a z. These are like terms, so put them together. So really what you need to put together is -3 and -1. But there's no 1 in front of that z, but there is. There's a 1 in front of that z. It might not look like it, but it's there. So there's -3 and -1 together. Remember, you're starting at -3, and which direction are you going? Toward more negative. So this is going to be -4z. Okay, this one here. This term has a k, this term has a k. You can combine those because they are like terms. Subtracting a negative is like adding a positive. So now this k has a -1 in front of it. So really this problem is just -1 plus 8. If you're confused about that, just remember our number line. Here's 0. Here's -1. You're going in the positive direction. 8 spaces. You're going to land on 7. +7. Put the k with it. These two are also like terms. This term has a k and this term has a k. This is, hi Mrs. Zavorka. This is -1 and this is 3. Different signs subtract. Take the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. So this is going to be 2k. Thanks. Let me know if you have questions.